how can airplanes with propellers shoot without damaging their blades? Theoretically, the bullets were supposed to break the blades, since the machine gun was aimed directly at them, but how is this done? In fact, when a screw fighter is ready to fire, firing is synchronized so that the bullets do not touch its own propeller. This is achieved with the help of a camshaft. The machine gun's firing mechanism is connected to this shaft, and when the propeller rotates, the camshaft controls the machine gun's trigger mechanism and determines the firing moment. Due to this, the bullets fly between the blades of the propeller and do not touch them. If you find the video interesting, subscribe to the Fikr Lab channel.